You guys, look. Okay, I'm playing with you, but yeah. Let me start off by saying that if you hear noise in the background, of course, say hey. Hi. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony. If you're new, welcome. Join the team by subscribing. Go ahead and, hit the button down below. I can't remember which side it's on, so yeah, I'm just gonna point. And if you're a subscriber, welcome back. Thanks for subscribing. Today I'm gonna be talking about an at-home keratin treatment that I did on myself. Now, this will be my first time doing an actual keratin treatment because I've done the treatment before, but I didn't use the proper heat requirements, so it didn't take. So this is my first time actually doing the keratin treatment and getting my hair like bone straight for the purpose of the treatment. Now I don't have a problem with getting my hair straight, normally it turns out like this, but putting the higher level of heat was my issue. And I'll probably insert a clip right down here of me doing the keratin treatment just so that you can kind of see what I did. I didn't film the whole thing because it was hard and it was like 3 o'clock in the morning and yeah. But basically what I did was I had to clarify my hair, so I used my Ion Brilliance Keratin? No, Ion Brilliance Clarifying Shampoo, I'm sorry. So after I clarified, the next step was to blow dry, but I didn't blow dry because, yeah, I felt like that was a bit much. Like, I'm already damaging my hair. I don't want to do too much damage. And speaking of, got something to show y'all too. I ended up just putting the keratin treatment through my hair, and when you put it through, you want to put very little because it will weigh your hair down and make it feel sticky. You want to put the minimum amount. Like, you want it to, when you're combing through, you want there to be no residue on the comb. Like, you just want to put the bare minimum amount of product. I can't stress this enough because your hair will be sticky, and my hair is not sticky, so I did put the right amount. Now after I put the keratin treatment in, I put a plastic cap on it for I think 20 minutes. Yeah, it was 20 minutes. Afterwards, it's blow drying and straightening time. Now let me show you the amount of hair that came out of my head during the combing and blow drying process. Look at this. Right, this is like a stark difference from like what my hair looks like right now, but look at, I've never, like, ever since postpartum shedding, I've not had this much shedding go on in my head. Like, yeah, that was a bit much, and that alone kind of made me like, I don't know about this treatment. I don't know, because that was a lot of shedding. Okay guys, I kind of got interrupted. I don't know where I left off. Where did I leave off? I think I was telling you about the shedding. After I blow dried, it was terrible. Like, the blow drying process was so terrible. It was like I wanted to cry. Like, I think I got a clip of me like basically screaming and trying to walk the agony off because it was terrible. Like, I literally wanted to cut my hair off, you guys. I wanted to have like a bob, like just take it all with you. Take it all off. I'm done. This hurts too much. Like, they say beauty hurts, but that hurts. Like, I don't know if I want to do that again. I'm hoping that, the results will last long enough to be worth it, but we'll see, because this treatment does wash out over time, so yeah. But let me show you guys what my hair is actually looking like. It's a little tangled because I do need a cut. Okay. You guys, look. Hold on. Okay, I'm playing with you, but yeah. Bro, I took my weave out to have this. Yes, yes. So it came out really straight, as you can see, and you got to keep it straight for 72 hours. No ponytails, no, wait, well, it's already slicked back. So basically you're not supposed to tuck it around behind your ear, but my hair normally stays flat anyway. Nothing that could compromise the straightness of your hair, because it has to set and absorb and, you know, process for 72 hours. After 72 hours, you can wash your hair, do whatever. I'll probably end up keeping it straight because I didn't straighten it for no reason. Like, I'm gonna do another no heat stretch, and yeah, this is gonna be worth it, because yeah, I'm not gonna be straightening my hair that much this year, because I do want my hair to get healthier. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will definitely be keeping you guys updated on my keratin treatment, and I hope it was worth it. I hope it doesn't damage my curls. I hope that my curls come back, and yeah, all that stuff. But I will keep you guys updated. Go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. Especially if you want to see what this looks like curly. Like, yeah, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next video.